I have slowed the video down so the procedure instructions can be read easily. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss new content. Take a look at my channel where you will find all the Zontes models, with either English, Spanish, Chinese, French and Arabic subtitled videos. Enjoy this video. Until next time, Mad Mick. While I have your attention on this video, our Zontes channel has over 2,000 videos on how to maintain, strip down and look after your Zontes motorbike or scooter, subtitled in English, French, Spanish and Chinese, on all the Zontes models. So please take a look on my channel homepage where all the bikes are in different playlists. If you could please promote my channel on your social platforms, it would be much appreciated, as the channel can only survive with your support. Best regards, Mad Mick. Let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, Mad Mick.